our hands with slime and blue slime, so we cannot get pink slime. Oh, I got out. Hey, I got out.
You got out?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I think you're still stuck.
Yeah,
Don't get it in your hair.
Okay.
Whoa, no, it has to stay on the countertop too. Cannot put it on the ground. Only place we can play with it.
You get out.
No, I was working so hard. Oh, slimed me.
Mama, hey, Mom, pretend I was. Mama, pretend.
I got you.
Mom, pretend the king. Mom, pretend the king covered us back in jail.
You put us in jail and covered us in slime?
Yeah.
So we couldn't go anywhere? No!
Mom, pretend I was the wife of it. And I was going to cover hands. Pretend I'm covering.
No! Careful, I don't want it on my clothes. Knock it off. I don't want it on my clothes.
No!
Abigail, stop. You're getting carried away.
Okay.
Settle down a little bit.
Say no! Not the king's
Stop.
wife.
I don't want it on my... Look, it's all over your dress, dude. Knock it off.
Okay.
Stop. Stop what you're doing.
Ow!
Stop what you're doing. Stop. Okay, don't move. Stop it. I'm not going to let you play with it anymore if you can't follow directions. You're getting it everywhere. It's not to get on your clothes. That's fine, but look, you were being crazy with it, and now it's all over. Back up a little tiny bit. You're standing on the chair. Back up. Look, you dripped it all down here. I know you didn't mean to, but it's because you weren't paying attention. Move back a little tiny bit. Okay, now keep it on the counter. When I tell you stop, you stop. Because look, it's all over my shirt. I don't want to play with you if you're going to be rude. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm not going to play with you if you're going to be rude. Okay.
So not the Storm King's wife.
Ah, it's all over you now.
At you.
You did.
I'll cover you in slime. Pretend I cover you into my hands. And you cannot get off. Pretend you tried, but it cannot.
I can't. You keep putting it back on.